Hey there, welcome back to the studio for another Cities of Sigmar painting session. In this second part of our sub-series on painting the Cities of Sigmar Freeguild Cavaliers, we'll turn our attention to the saddle, saddle blanket, and the horse halter of our brave steed. We'll do our best to paint these elements in colors that will match our Hammerhal Aqsha army. While we work, we'll also talk about color hue, tone, and tint. Onward! Let's ride forth on our noble quest. In the previous episodes, we've already assembled and based the model before priming it in dark gray. We've also started the painting process by adding colors to the horse coat, mane and tail. If you'd like more details on these steps, there are links in the video description. As usual, we'll show you all the colors we'll use for the next step. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas as we pursue this creative journey together. Color hue represents the pure essence of a color, while tone describes its lightness or darkness, adding depth and mood. Tint, on the other hand, is achieved by adding white to a hue, creating lighter, softer versions. Together, these elements form the foundation of color theory, shaping the visual world with their endless variations and nuances. Now let's further explore the captivating realm of color theory. Color is a marvel of nature, a kaleidoscope of visual delight that captivates our senses and shapes our perceptions. At its core lies the concept of hue, the very essence of color itself. Hue is the purest expression of a color, representing its fundamental identity on the spectrum. It's the vibrant red of a ripened apple, the serene blue of a clear summer sky, and the golden glow of a setting sun. Each hue carries its own unique energy and character, evoking a myriad of emotions and associations. But within this spectrum of hues lies a world of nuance and subtlety, where the magic of tone comes into play. Tone describes the lightness or darkness of a color, adding depth and dimension to our visual landscape. It's the shadow that dances across a sunlit meadow, the soft glow of moonlight on a tranquil night. From the deepest ebony to the purest ivory, every shade of gray in between creates a symphony of contrasts and harmonies, allowing colors to convey mood, create drama, and imbue scenes with a sense of realism. And then there's tint, an enchanting interplay of hue and light that adds yet another layer of complexity to the canvas of color. Tint refers to the subtle infusion of white into a hue, a delicate dance that lightens its intensity and softens its edges. It's the gentle blush of a rose petal, the delicate hue of a newborn skin, and the ethereal glow of a morning sunrise. Each tint brings a sense of freshness and purity, transforming hues into airy pastels and imbuing them with a sense of luminosity. Together, these elements form the very foundation of color theory, a rich spectrum of hues, tones, and tints that enrich our world with their infinite possibilities and boundless beauty. We've opted for warm hues to evoke the scorching environment of Aqsha and reflect the colors of Hammerhal Aqsha. To enhance the warmth associated with the desert, we've chosen to tone up our colors using brown sand, highlighting each hue for added depth. Finally, we're incorporating off-white to tint our colors, creating the ultimate highlights. Beige and off-white contribute to creating muted colors, resulting in a more realistic final appearance. This approach allows us to establish a cohesive tone that aligns with the model we're painting. We trust you're finding the video enjoyable. If you do, a thumbs up would mean the world to us. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that button. Our goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers is still going strong, and your support keeps us going. Seriously, it's what drives us to keep creating. Thanks for being a part of our community. We'd love to read what you think of the painting session and the information we shared about color, hue, tone, and tint. Your feedback guides our ongoing improvement with every new episode. Oh, and for all your painting tools and materials, don't forget to check out Fenris Workshop. You can find the link in the video description. In the next episode of this sub-series, we'll be painting our war horse barding using the non-metallic metal technique. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, keep on painting, and take care!